Okay, so on question 6, we've got a box with some red balls and blue balls, 4 more blue balls than red balls. A ball is removed at random, it's replaced, and then the second ball is removed at random. The probability the balls are different colours is 21 out of 50. So, I don't know how many red balls there are at the beginning, so I'm going to call that X. There we go. So I've got X red balls. Now I know that there are 4 more blue balls. So it will be X plus 4. In terms of total number of balls in this box, it will be these added together. So in total, there would be 2X plus 4 balls. Now, considering that the ball is replaced once it's taken out of the box, that would mean that the second set of probabilities will be exactly the same as the first set. So this will be an X out of 2X plus 4. This will be an X plus 4 out of a 2X plus 4. Again, similarly, these will be the same. Now, I was told that the probability that the two balls were different colours. So that is a red and a blue, or a blue and a red. So the probability of red and blue together would be red times blue. And then the blue and the red is like that. And I know that if I add these two together, it will be 21 over 50. So I'm going to do this down here. Now, hopefully you can see here that actually these two fractions are actually the same thing. Just the opposite, just written the other way around. And obviously when we're multiplying, it doesn't matter which way around we multiply. So I can add these two things together, or I could, so basically what I'm saying here is, I could write it out the long way by going X plus 4 over so I could write it all like that. That's adding the two of them together, but they are the same thing. So rather than adding it together, I could just multiply it by 2. That's the long and the short of it, because there's 2 of them. So I've got 2 lots of all of that is equal to 21 over 50. That's what I'm saying here. So let's expand these brackets then. So I've got x squared plus 4x. And on the denominator here, I've got 4x squared plus 16x plus 16. Let me multiply through by 2 now then. Let me just give myself a bit more space at the top up here. So I've got 2x squared plus 8x all over the 4x squared plus 16x plus 16 equals 21 over 50. I am then going to times by the 50 over here, and I'm going to times by the 4x squared plus 16x plus 16 there, which will give me 100 x squared, because the 2x squared times 50, plus 400x, and over on the right hand side I've got 84x squared plus 21 times 16 is 336, like that. make it equal to 0. So 100x squared take away 84x squared is 16x squared. The 400x take away 336 is 64x and minus 336. I'm going to try and divide through by 16 here. I think I can divide by 16. So I get x squared plus 4x minus 21 equals 0. Now we can factorise this. So x plus 7 times x minus 3. So x equals minus 7 or x equals 3. It doesn't make sense for there to be minus 7 balls, so we're saying that x equals 3. Remember, x was how many red balls there are, so there are 3 red balls. And there were 4 more blue balls, so 7 blue balls. And there we go.